food lovers, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. Oh wow, that looks so delicious, isn't it guys? So what I'm gonna show you is how to make a perfect restaurant style chana masala or the chole masala with the homemade chana masala powder. Guys, do watch the video fully to know the special secret tips and tricks. This chana masala is a flavor bomb for your taste buds that is loaded with spiciness, sweetness, tanginess, etc. etc. So let's start making this yummy recipe. First, I will soak the white chickpeas or the chana. For that, I have measured and taken 250 grams of chana. Guys, I will wash the chana and soak it in 2 cups of water for 8 hours. So, if you are making this gravy in the morning, soak the chana overnight. Now guys, let's make the special homemade chana masala powder. For that, I have kept a non-stick pan for heating. To this, let's add 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1 bay leaf that is torn into small pieces, half teaspoon fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon whole black pepper, a small piece of mace, and finally quarter cup of raw peanuts. Yes guys, you heard me right. It's peanuts. But why? Peanuts help the gravy to thicken and adds a special flavor to the gravy. So do add the peanuts. Guys, now let's dry roast all these ingredients for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Guys, my kitchen is filled with the aroma of the spices. Let's switch off the stove and allow this to come to a room temperature. So, this is done now. Let's add this to a mixie jar and add the remaining ingredients. First, let's add in quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon dry mango powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and lastly, the most important ingredient for this chana masala, that is the kasuri methi. Let's add 2 teaspoon of it and grind all these to a fine powder. Once done, I will transfer this to an airtight box so that the aroma stays fresh while we make the gravy. Guys, next let's make the onion and the tomato puree. For that, I have roughly cut 5 onions. Let's grind the onions to a fine puree like this. Next, I have roughly chopped 3 big size tomatoes. If you are using the medium ones, you can add 4. Now, I will grind this as well. So guys, what's next? Yes, you guessed it right. We have to cook the chana that has been soaking for 8 hours. Guys, for that, let's add 2.5 cups of water to a pressure cooker. Now, let's add the soaked chana to this. Oh wow! Guys, you can see how well the chana has soaked and plumped up. Now, here is a secret tip. That is, I will add quarter teaspoon of baking soda to this so that the chana gets cooked fast. Guys, if you want, you can skip this, but this makes the chana so soft. Next, I will add in 1 teaspoon sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt. Let's mix everything once and close the cooker and place a whistle. Guys, here is my cooking tip. That is, if you have added baking soda like me, pressure cook the chana on a high flame for the first whistle and then 2 whistles on a low flame. And if you haven't added the baking soda, pressure cook on a high flame for 1 whistle and 4 whistles on a low flame. Once done, let's switch off the stove and keep this aside. I know guys, you had a lot of patience until now. So, let's start making the gravy quickly. I have kept a kadai for heating. To this, let's add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Please do add the ghee guys to get the special taste. Now, once the ghee has melted, let's add in quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now, I will saute the cumin seeds for 2 minutes and then add 1 long green chilli that is slit in the middle. We have to saute the green chili in ghee for 2 minutes. Then I will add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute everything for 2 minutes until the raw smell goes from it. Now let's add in the onion paste and mix it. Also, to cook the onions fast, I will add half teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Let's saute the onions on a low-medium flame until the water content from the onion is removed completely and turns light brown. Guys, it may take around 12 to 15 minutes. Now you can see that the onions are cooked well. At this stage, let's add the tomato puree and mix everything. Cook the tomatoes for 10 minutes on a low-medium flame until the raw smell goes from it. Guys, this is done now. So, let's add in our prepared homemade chana masala powder and mix everything well. Let's add in half cup of water so that the masala gets incorporated well. After adding the water, I will mix everything and add half teaspoon of salt for the chana masala. Let's cook everything for 5 minutes. Now the masala has cooked perfectly. So guys, let's add in 2 cups of water and mix it well. And then let's close it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium flame. My dear friends, please make sure to stir the gravy occasionally. Now it's been around 10 minutes. Guys, let's open the lid and see. Wow, the gravy has cooked well and you can see that the ghee has been separated from it. At this stage, let's add the boiled chana along with the water. Oh wow, the chana has cooked perfectly. Let's mix everything well and cook the gravy on a high flame and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Guys, the gravy is almost done now and let's finish it by adding a few chopped coriander leaves. Let's mix it and switch off the stove. The yummy restaurant style chana gravy made with the homemade masala is ready to be served. And guys, my chapatis are ready for us to have the dinner. Do tell me in the comment box what is your favorite item that you would like to have with this chana masala. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. If you like my video, please hit the like and share this with everyone you know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.